Tonight, all 4 Mobile hospitals are on the front lines of a surging case count.
We're hearing from the hospitals that they are stressed, but they are coping.
The Alabama Hospital Association says there were just 28 ICU beds open as of Thursday between all the Port City hospitals, meaning less than 15% of all ICU beds were available in Mobile.
If you grade these things, 10% is when things are really concerning.
Statewide, just 14% of ICU beds are open. The Hospital Association says about a third of the beds are occupied with COVID patients. The rest are those with heart attacks, strokes, or other illnesses.
And right now, I don't have any reason to be optimistic that it's suddenly going to turn for the best. And then that sets us up for a very bad August with schooling.
If needed, hospitals have the ability to expand their ICU capacity, like they've done at Springhill Medical Center, but there's only so much space.
So all of the hospitals are maintaining capacity, so they have some capacity, but staffing is an issue.
We reached out to the 4 major Mobile hospitals asking for specific numbers about the number of ICU beds that they have available. Springhill Medical Center was the only one to respond with specific numbers. The other hospitals just sending us statements. If you want to read what they had to say in those statements, you can go to our website, fox10tv.com. Lenice?
All right, Tyler, we also learned of a COVID-19 outbreak at a Mobile hospital. What additional information can you tell us about that?
Well, Lenice, Bay Point Hospital is a kids psychiatric hospital, and they are telling us tonight that there is an outbreak there with more than 3 dozen both patients and staff members confirmed to have the virus. According to AltaPoint, which owns Bay Point Hospital, 24 patients and 15 staff members have tested positive for the virus. Patients have been moved to an isolation unit of the psychiatric hospital for treatment, and employees who tested positive have been sent home to quarantine. AltaPoint says they have taken precautions to limit the spread of the virus, including disinfecting multiple times a day. They're also replacing HVAC filters more frequently and using UV light in the system to improve air quality. The hospital tells me that despite the staff that have tested positive for the virus, they have enough to be able to continue the quality of care for the patients who are still there. We're live tonight in Mobile. Tyler Finger, Fox 10 News.